Letter from Baby
Mm.
Yoda.
Hi,
Hi, Miss
baby.
Laika and Boss Z. Oh, nandito ako. Nilagay niya ako.
E.
Kaya ako pinansin yung letter niya.
E.
Charot. Dahil nasa huling quarter na tayo ng 2023 at
Mm.
feeling ko lost pa rin ako since 2020, here I am reaching out sa inyong dalawa. Full-time auditor ako with
Ah,
2 part-time jobs and a small business.
wow.
Wow. Napansin ko since 2020 yung performance and outputs ko ay hindi nasing pulido at efficient compared to prior years. Maraming nakapansin at nagtanong kung ano bang nangyayari sa akin. Paano ba naman? Consistent perfect attendance awardee ako for the past years. Hindi ko na rin nami-meet yung expectations sa akin sa work. Now, I'm also so filled with guilt and shame. Paano ba ako makakaalis sa sitwasyon ko ngayon and eventually practice self-discipline?
Wow. Medyo challenging nga yun.
Mm.
But I love the self-awareness, by the way. So thank you for sharing your situation. I'm sure hindi ka mag-isa dito. But, sa akin hindi lang so much parang papunta ng too much on your plate right now.
Mm.
Kasi 'di ba kung full-time auditor ka, hindi madali. Lalo na kung month end, mga period close, mga ganyan. Tapos ang trabaho mo is very detail-oriented. Kailangan na extreme focus. Tapos meron ka pang business.
Business.
And ang business is like a child. So sa akin, siguro ang unang question would be, kaya ba talaga?